Hello fellow travelers, today we're venturing to the Lofoten Islands in Norway, a place that feels like the edge of the world. Check out my new song on Spotify, have fun listening. This chain of islands, far above the Arctic Circle, is where jagged mountains plunge into the sea and colorful fishing villages cling to sheltered coves. Lofoten is a land of wild contrasts, dramatic peaks, white sand beaches and cozy red fishing cabins called rorbjør. Here, nature's raw power meets warm hospitality, inviting you to slow down and soak in the scenery. Whether you're hiking, exploring villages, or simply watching the light shift across the landscape, Lofoten offers a deep sense of peace and wonder. In this guide, we'll uncover the best hikes, the most charming villages, and even Arctic surfing. We'll explore the magic of the midnight sun and the northern lights. So pack your sense of adventure. Europe's most spectacular natural playground awaits. This is Lofoten. Lofoten's landscape is pure drama. Sharp granite peaks rise straight from the ocean, carved by ancient glaciers. As you drive the scenic E10, every turn reveals new vistas, misty mountains, turquoise coves, and white sand beaches like Haukeland and Ramberg. The contrast between rugged cliffs and soft beaches is breathtaking. Dotted among this scenery are fishing villages like Rein and Hamnøy, famous for their red rorbjør perched on stilts over the water. These villages are steeped in tradition, with cod drying on wooden racks and colorful boats bobbing in the harbor. Strolling through narrow streets, you'll find artisan shops and a sense of timelessness. Lofoten's magic lies in this blend of epic nature and living history. It's a place where the wild and the welcoming coexist. That's what makes Lofoten unforgettable. To truly experience Lofoten, you have to get out and explore on foot. Hike the famous Reinebringen Trail for a steep climb and a jaw-dropping view over Reina's islands and fjords. For a gentler adventure, try Reiten, where you'll overlook the stunning Kvalvika beach and maybe snap a photo on the Troll's Tongue outcrop. Trails range from easy coastal walks to challenging mountain ascents, so there's something for everyone. Always come prepared for changing weather. Layers and sturdy shoes are a must. Don't miss exploring villages like Henningsvær, the Venice of the North, with its lively art scene and iconic football pitch on a rocky islet. Whether you're hiking or wandering through historic streets, Lofoten rewards every step. The real magic is in the journey. Mountains, beaches, and villages all waiting to be discovered. Lace up your boots and dive in. Lofoten transforms with the seasons, each offering its own magic. In summer, the midnight sun means endless daylight. Hike at midnight or picnic on the beach under a glowing sky. The landscape bursts with life, wildflowers bloom, and the light is a photographer's dream. As winter arrives, darkness returns and the northern lights take center stage, painting the sky with swirling colors. There's nothing like watching the aurora dance above snow-capped peaks, reflected in still fjords. Winter is quieter, with short days and cozy rorbjør cabins, perfect for fireside evenings and aurora watching. Whether you crave summer's energy or winter's calm, Lofoten's light is unforgettable. Each season invites you to see the islands in a new way. The magic is always in the sky. To make the most of Lofoten, rent-a-car public transport is limited, and you'll want the freedom to chase views and explore hidden gems. Book your rorbjør cabin early, especially in summer or winter, for an authentic stay right on the water. For a unique thrill, try surfing at Unstad Beach. Yes, Arctic surfing is a thing, and there's a surf school for beginners. Embrace the wild weather, and respect the pristine environment. Leave no trace and tread lightly. Lofoten isn't a polished resort. It's a living landscape that rewards curiosity and care. Plan ahead, but leave room for spontaneous adventure. This journey will challenge and inspire you, leaving memories that last long after you return home. Add Lofoten to your travel list, you won't regret it. Thanks for joining me. Keep on traveling.